Hi guys, good afternoon. Today we're making this brooder cage for our quail chicks because I have an order for 350 heads from Isabela Basilan, guys. Now I'm preparing for the brooder cage for the chick. Okay, I will show you this. Kasama Noy? Noy? Now, I am putting here the two door. Another one. This one. Hopefully by tomorrow it will already done and I will show you the finished product. Bye bye and God bless.